Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not actually your stomach digesting food. Surprise! That rumbling is called borborygmi. When your stomach and intestines are empty, your brain sends signals to muscles in your gut to contract. These contractions move air and digestive juices around, which makes that familiar growling sound. Even if you just ate, your stomach can growl if your intestines are still working. So next time you hear that rumble, thank your body for keeping your digestive system in check. Follow for more amazing body facts.